Okay, I've taken some cuttings of some herbs this morning. I've taken some cuttings of some rosemary and some curry plants. When you take cuttings, it's really important on the collection process that you put them in a bag with some water in just to keep them refreshed. I've taken about 4 cuttings and I've removed the bottom leaves. I'm going to then use a organic rooting gel and put them into the pots there. So I have my cuttings here. I've got rosemary and a curry plant. I've filled my pots with peat-free compost and I've levelled it out with a presser board. So all you do is you remove the bottom leaves, you dip it in your rooting powder or rooting gel and just place it into the soil. Okay, so here's my rosemary. Place it into the soil. And then add in the labels. And as you can see, by just taking a few cuttings, you can multiply the amount of herbs that you can put into your garden. The next way to grow some herbs is actually by taking cuttings. You can do this with mint, okay? I've taken about 8 stems, just cut off at the bottom, placed in a jar of water, and that could be left. Eventually the roots will start to grow from that, and that can then be planted outside in the borders or in your herb garden.